You've spent hours getting the perfect shot. The lighting is magical, the colors are perfect, but your audio sounds like this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
What if I told you that you could make bad audio a thing of the past? Permanently. This is the brand new DJI Mic 3, and it's not just an upgrade. It's your new creative superpower. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at the DJI Mic 3, DJI's latest wireless mic system designed to give creators professional sound with zero hassle. Unboxing is simple but premium. Inside the sleek new charging case, you'll find the receiver with its bright AMOLED touchscreen, the ultralight transmitters, each just 16 grams, plus windscreens, magnetic clips, adapters, and cables. Everything you need is right here to start recording instantly. The design feels modern and compact, but the real magic is in what these mics can do. Let's break down what makes the DJI Mic 3 a game changer. First, dual file recording. Each transmitter has 32 gigabytes of storage and records two versions of your audio. One enhanced, one raw. That means you'll always have a backup, even if your wireless connection drops. Next, adaptive gain control and noise canceling. Whether you're filming in a quiet studio or a noisy street, the Mic 3 automatically adjusts your levels. One tap and background noise melts away, keeping your voice front and center. Then there's voice tone presets, regular, rich, and bright, so your audio matches your style without any extra editing. And of course, connectivity. With up to 400 meters of wireless range, timecode sync for perfect audio-video alignment, and the option to connect directly to DJI cameras like the Osmo Pocket 3 or Action 5 Pro. Sometimes, without the receiver at all, your setup stays light and fast. Let's talk performance. Each transmitter runs for up to 10 hours, the receiver for 8, and the charging case adds nearly 28 more hours of power. That's an entire weekend of shooting without worrying about battery life. And because everything pairs automatically inside the case, setup takes seconds. Just open, clip on, and you're rolling. Who is this for? So who should get the DJI Mic 3? If you're a vlogger or YouTuber, the lightweight design and noise cancellation are perfect for content on the move. If you're an interviewer or podcaster, the dual transmitters and crystal clear audio give you studio quality sound anywhere. And if you're a filmmaker or professional, built-in timecode and dual file recording make editing easier and safer than ever. In short, it's for anyone who wants stress-free professional audio. The DJI Mic 3 isn't just a new microphone. It's a whole new level of confidence. From its featherlight design and all-day battery to dual recording and intelligent audio processing, this system gives you sound that matches the quality of your visuals. Pricing will vary by region and package, so check the official DJI website for the latest bundles. But one thing's clear. For creators who take audio seriously, the Mic 3 is worth it. But what do you think? Is the DJI Mic 3 the wireless mic you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.